So what up, girl?
The sky.
The sky. You should talk. See that little dot over there, the camera?
That one?
Talk loud
There?
at that dot. Yep.
Hi, Dot.
Hi, Dot. So we're doing an after-action report for Cheyenne's cake baking. Sustain, improve. And so what did you need to improve? Tell the people.
On planning
Planning.
and not getting so excited and anxious, because then it'll turn into anxiety.
Right. So the point that you made that I thought was a very good point, which is why we're sharing this with the people, was that your lack of planning, even though you were excited to do what you were doing, because you hadn't quite planned appropriately, that excitement turned into anxiety when you were doing it. Mm-hmm. Is that true?
Yeah.
And how are you going to fix that next time?
Definitely plan better and tone down my excitement levels.
It's okay to be excited. That's good. You should do things that bring you joy.
I know, but I was because of the excitement, I was in a rush.
You got in a rush.
Yeah.
So you got in a rush and you didn't have a plan.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Say hi to the people, babes.
Hello.
We're at Grandma's house.
Yeah.
So the lesson here is it's okay to do things. It's good to do things that bring you joy and make you
Oh,
excited.
there's Asper.
But you can even then, when you're doing things that bring you joy and make you excited, you can benefit. It would have been more fun if you'd had a plan.
Yeah.
Right? Cool.
Look.
Good job. That's the lesson. Is have a plan, because it will reduce your anxiety, even in the little things like baking a cake. And you also, yes, that is a kitty cat. You're right. And you also had an issue with eggs, didn't you?
Yeah. We had
Oh,
one less egg than we were supposed to because we did not count our eggs properly.
Because we didn't count our eggs properly.
And then we had a
And-
double yolk egg, which is kind of cool too.
One of the hens laid a double yolk egg, so it kind of worked out. But cool. Say shalom to the peeps.
You know.
Aspen, can you say shalom? No? Okay. Shalom.
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 Bye-bye.
A ball. Say bye.
bye.
Bye.